Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sumati, Dean Academics at RNSIT, an autonomous institution affiliated to VTU. As Dean Academics, it gives me immense pride to present our institution where academics meets excellence. We are committed to delivering quality education that blends strong academic foundations, industry relevance and research. Our curriculum is designed to go beyond books, integrating experiential learning, interdisciplinary projects and global exposures. With highly committed and qualified faculty, we ensure that our students are not only knowledgeable but also skillful and adaptable. We at RNSIT focus on nurturing our students with leadership skills, creativity and ethics so that they emerge as responsible professionals and change makers. Join RNSIT, an institution that not only shapes your career but also your future. Thank you.